Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and have a good day and welcome back to our channel. It is very pleased to see you again into another tutorial video. Here in this time, I'd like to show you how to fix a blurry photo or blurry old photo only in 5 seconds with the AI free. So guys, actually I have been trying to use the ChatGPT and I have also uploaded the photo. As you can see here, the photo here is slightly moldy the, and also almost damaged by its this fungus. And I tried to reach the ChatGPT to restore this photo and make it better. Let's say to remove this mold and also repair it, clean it, sharpen it, and recolor it. And it will turn to the better and higher resolution photo. But I think it is also depend on the complexity of your prompt or your request to ChatGPT. So it will take a little, not a little, a lot of time to give this ChatGPT the chance to repair this photo. And I have actually upload and write this prompt for since the noon, I think at 30 p.m. and I haven't received any result now. So I decided to use another AI named the Black Forest AI here. Maybe you have also already watched our another video that used this AI and surprisingly also this AI very helpful and give the faster result. And let's get right into it. So here I have also logged in into the playground and Black Forest AI here, or the name is Vlogs Playground. And I will click the edit, and also don't forget to know your credit left. Here I have 559 credits left to do this project or do the edit to for this photo. And I will start off with the edit and drop the image here from my device. Let's say I will start it off from this photo. And I have also prepared the prompt here to fix this picture because as you can see this picture also moldy and I will need this AI to restore to restore this photo to become more high resolution or high definition and also asset to repair, clean, sharpen, and recolors it. And I will copy this prompt and I will put it in this section and enter. It will also take you a while or take this AI to process the photo here. So if you have any another AI to help to repair the photo or repair the moldy and almost damaged photo, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below and I would love to see your comments there because it can be our feedback and also helpful for developing our videos in the future. And as you can see here, this is the result of this generate and I will show you to extend this photo. As you can see here, the mold that almost cover up this photo has already gone and I will see the another picture. There's no white border here, but this photo actually looks pretty good. It's like very natural, but the eye of this man it slightly need the correction still. As you can see, the shoes of this woman from or between or among these photos slightly different and also give you the option I think this I will recommend you if you have to do the correction or photo editing very fast because this ChatGPT still need the result, but I still also recommend you because every AI has itself the beneficial and also the likeness. That's all guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel to know more the another video tutorial. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye bye.